Hey guys, this is Maya, and if you are an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, listen up. This video is meant for you. This message is coming directly from the universe as I manifested that this video will only reach those air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, to find this message for you. So, if you're an air sign, just watch this video till the end because this is meant for you. And let's see what's coming up for this month for you, for this month of May, for all the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so all the air signs we have, starting with the Four of Cups. So the starting of the month with Four of Cups. So don't let your focus close you to new ideas. So I think like you're starting this month with a lot of demotivation. Maybe things are not working for you the way you want it. But if you just have a little stability in your life, if you have a little foundation set in your life, if you like, you're just not risking anything because you're playing it very safe. And even if things are not working for you right now, you don't have to be very demotivated. You have to still carry on. Just, जैसे बोलते हैं चलती का नाम जिंदगी, तो वैसे ही you have to just carry on your life and don't get demotivated, because by the mid of month things will look up. So we have, starting with the Four of Cups of this month, and then by the mid of month we have the Seven of Cups. So you have to, like, you're starting very heavy, like things are very heavy in your life, emotionally, career wise. You're feeling very heavy, like inside, and you just don't have to be demotivated, think a lot. You have to just like calm yourself down and just think the positive side of what you're doing. Like if you don't like your job, if just do it, just show up, just show up every day, and trust me, it's gonna get better. Like mid of month, it's the Seven of Cups. Step back from everything and gain perspective. So how we just keep on continuing in our life, just do it. We just have to step back, take a perspective, like what are we doing and how is it going now, what next, this and that. So we have to sometimes take a step back and see it from a different perspective maybe. And that's what you need to do. By the mid of month you will be like introspecting a lot of things, what is going in your life. Maybe you want to grow in your career, maybe you want something more in your relationship. So you have to step back and take a different perspective in your life and investigate what is going on, take on responsibility, have the willpower to show up every day. And you might be like getting a lot of daydreams, a lot of fantasies, a lot of choices. You will get a lot of promises unfulfilled. You will feel like escaping somewhere. So there's a lot of heavy emotional power here, very heavy emotional energy. So I think you should just step back, don't think so much, take your power back, and just see it from a different perspective in your life. And by the end of the month, we have the Six of Pentacles. So sharing your success builds more success. So this would be, by the end of the month, this would be a very good time to spend it with your family, with your friends. Just you will get success for sure. It says all these pentacles, and see how like they are feeding the other people. So there's a lot of giving, receiving. So basically, like if you're starting very heavy in your emotional energy, just know that by the end of the month you will feel like getting all the success that you deserve, that you want, and that you are working so hard for it and thinking so much about it. So you will be getting success for sure. You will be healing, you will be in alignment by the end of the month, and sharing and giving. So all the air signs, if you can resonate to this message, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to know more. I am gonna pick out one bonus card for you guys to see how you can get through what you're going through, because it's too heavy emotional energies right now. For sure, you will get success by the end of the month, but how you can go through it, let's see. For the month of May, the Fool. So the Fool is like my favorite card, and it is an air sign card. So there will be a lot of beginnings, a lot of endings you will go through, but you have to just spread your wings and fly. So wow, like you will be on a new journey. You will get all the care that you need, all the support that you need. And there is a lot of potential, there is a lot of curiosity. So you just have to go with the flow. Just go with the flow, don't think so much, and just spread your wings and fly. You will get all the success. So all the air signs, don't worry, it's going to be an amazing month for you, and a great month for you. Even if you're starting on a very heavy note, uh, don't worry, things are looking up and things are looking very nice for you. And you just have to like just hold it. Don't let it go, and just spread your wings and fly. So I hope all the air signs get this message from me, and I hope um, the best for you. I hope the best for you, and I will manifest a lot of great things for you. And if you resonate from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to know more. And DM me on Instagram for any kind of personal readings if you want. And this is Maya. Take care. Love you.